last try on this thing before I'm giving up for a bit. Let's see if we can get this first, actually. All right. All right. Bang! Focus in on that. It's a picked RS8. As you can see, it is picked. I'm going to lock it back up. Show you the key works. Well, maybe the key doesn't work because of bent wording from me picking it. That is something you're going to have to watch out for. If you pick an RS8, you will bend the wording pretty easily in the front, and then that starts to happen. All right. Let me get my gut stuff back. I know, I left frame. Guess what? That's what's nice about being black belt. RS8 done. You don't know how happy this makes me. Alright, we're going to do drivers first. We'll put the, or key pins first. We'll put the, get my tweezers. Where'd they go? I'm a good set too. You can see that's kind of tight. Alright, now let's do these. This thing is super icky of a keyway. Once you figure the keyway out though, it isn't terrible, and I think I just managed that last pick. That's how I got it in 3 minutes. Very annoying to gut and put back together too though. It's got barrels, spools, these weird looking things in the center, in the side that kind of look a little bit like spools. I feel it a little bit, but not a whole lot. And it's got a single Dom barbell in there that's really annoying. All right. Let me get back into some manual focus while I show you this stuff. There is nothing special about this core. No milling or anything in it at all. Dom doesn't generally do that. Really icky keyway. Really, really icky keyway. Just picking it. And now the key is a little tight from bending warding from picking it. Nothing in the housing. This lock actually has side pins, but no side bar. It's literally pins off to the side. And then here we go are the pins. As you can see, we've got these little guys over here. And then we've got these right here. Yeah. Hard lock. Very hard lock. There's one more look at these pins. It's not great focus, but it's a little better. Good look at them pins. Pain in the butt to put back together. So I'm going to go do that now.